honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, the AICOK company just sent me this vacuum sealer. I've been wanting one for a long time, but just didn't get around to buying one. So, this is just an unboxing this time. So, it came packaged up nicely. First, it was in the Amazon box. As you can get this on Amazon. Then this was down in it. And then this was down in it. The actual product, which I haven't opened. So it comes with, it comes with a warranty service card that I'm supposed to fill out. It has the instruction booklet. Okay. Troubleshooting. It's in a couple different languages. Comes with the vacuum bags. I don't know how many. But I just got it and took it out the box. So I haven't really looked it over yet. And these are the textured bags. Let me see if they're textured on both sides. Let me see. Feels like they're only textured on one side. Okay. And here is the product itself. I'm going to open this. And I will actually demonstrate this in another video, but I had to show you all. This is what it looks like. Okay, let me see. Oh, and the cord wraps around the base. Got the little things on here. It has 3 or 4 foot cord. It's about a 3 foot cord. And let me see. And it's a this kind of plug. One blade is wider than the other, polarized. Okay. Just taking everything out. Okay, this is just the unboxing. I will use it in another video. I already got something in mind. I'm going to show y'all how I buy chicken in bulk, wash it, cut it up, season it, marinate it good, and then seal it up and freeze it. So when I get ready to cook, just got to throw it out. It's already washed, seasoned, cut up, and everything. So those are my plans for this. And not just chicken, but chicken mostly, because that's what I mostly fix. Okay. So I want to thank you for watching this short unboxing video of the AICOK or AICOK vacuum sealer. AICOK Home Essentials Live. That's what it says. AICOK vacuum sealer. And I can leave a link for it now, but you'd probably rather see me use it first to see if you want to get it or not. So look forward to the the next video. Okay, y'all, thanks for watching. Be blessed. Bye. Let me hold it up. without dropping it. And they sent this to me for my honest review. So this is just my unboxing. So you'll actually get a review later.